Hello friends, good afternoon all of you. Myself your friend Naveen Quadras. I welcome you all to my class. So in this class we are going to learn a simple past tense. It is also called as past indefinite tense. First of all I am going to ask what is past tense? The past tense indicates that action which is already completed, done yesterday. Okay, so past tense is subdivided into a four parts. What all are they? That is simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, and past perfect continuous tense. So now we are going to learn a simple past tense which is also called past indefinite tense. So I am going to teach you how to form a sentences in a simple past tense. Then I will tell what are the uses of a simple past tense. Then finally let us see what are the difference between present perfect tense and simple past tense. First of all, let us take a assertive sentence. How to form a sentences in a simple past tense. How to make a assertive sentence in a simple past tense. The formula is subject, second form of a verb plus object. Okay, past tense mostly we use a second form of a verb. Example, I played football, we ate mango, you drank water, you climbed tree, he played football, she climbed tree, it ate food, Ram played football, they played football. Okay. What we have to pay attention? We always use a second form of a verb in a simple past tense for a assertive sentence. Is it clear? Now, let us see how to make a negative sentences in a simple past tense. So, when we make a negative sentences in a simple past tense, we use did as a helping verb. Did not. Okay, for a negative sentence, we are negating something and we are saying did not. The formula for a negative sentence is subject plus helping verb did not plus first form of a verb plus object. Why do we use first form of a verb here? Because did is already considered as a second form of a verb. That's the reason a main verb we always use as a first form of a verb for any sentence. If the did comes means we have to use a first form of a verb. Once again I repeat the formula: subject did not plus first form of a verb plus object. Example, let us see one by one. I did not play cricket. Here I said I played cricket. For a negative sentence, I did not play cricket. We did not play cricket. You did not climb the mountain. You did not drink water. You did not eat food. She did not play cricket, or it did not eat food. They did not drink water. Okay. Is it clear? Wherever there is did not comes or wherever there is did comes, we always use a first form of a verb. As I said here, I did not play football. This is about a negative sentence. Now, third, I will ask how to make a yes-no question in a simple past tense. What is yes-no questions? Yes-no question means the question. When we ask, the answer always must be either yes or no. I tell the formula to form a yes-no question in a simple past tense. The formula is first we have to use a helping verb. Which helping verb we use for a simple past tense? Did, yeah. Did plus subject plus verb plus object. Once again I repeat the formula. Did, subject, first form of a verb plus object. Why first form of a verb? Because did. Example, did you drink water? Did you go home? Did we eat mango? Etc. Is it clear? Now fourth, I'll ask how to make a WH questions in a simple past tense. How to make a WH questions in a simple past tense. The formula is first we have to write WH word. Okay, WH word means it may be anything. Where, what, when, how, who, etc. Then helping verb, that is did. Then subject plus a verb, the remaining part. Example, what did I tell? Where did you go? When did she come? Etc. This is about WH question. Is it clear? Yeah. Now, let us see the uses of a simple past tense. Where do we use a simple past tense? First, the action which is started and ended in the past. There is no link to present and it is not true in the present. So once again I tell, action which is started and ended in the past, there is no link to the present or which is not true to present. Example, father cooked the dinner, we watched the movie, I wrote the exam. Okay, father cooked the dinner, which is the action already done. We watched the movie, I wrote the exam, etc. Action which is already done in the past. There is no link to present tense. Second use. The series of actions completed in the past means many actions, 2 or 3 actions which are completed in the past. For that also we use simple past tense. Example, Kiran reached home, changed his dress and went to play. Kiran reached home, changed his dress and went to play. Action which is completed already in the past. Many 2-3 actions have completed. The second example, we went to picnic, we enjoyed a lot and we came back. We went to picnic, we enjoyed a lot and we came back. There are 3 actions which are completed in the past. This is the second use. Then third use, that is habitual routine in the past. Habitual routine in the past. If the habitual routine which is still it is there, then which tense we use? We use a simple present tense. But the habitual routine which we had in the past, for that we always use a simple past tense. Example, when I was a child, we walked to school every day. When I was a child, we walked to school every day. Second one, when she was a young, she got married. When she was a young, she got married. We use a simple past tense, the habitual routine in the past. Then fourth use is the fact which are not present day. The fact which are not true in the present or fact which are not there in the present. For that we use a simple past tense. Once again I repeat, the fact which was true in the past but not true in the present. Example, cell phone looked quite different 10 years ago. So 10 years ago cell phones were looking different. It was huge in a size, but now it is different. Second one, there was an idea that sun rotated over the earth. There was an idea that sun rotated over the earth, but now it is not true. Now what rotates around the sun? Earth. Yeah, earth rotates around the sun, but first there was an idea that the sun rotated over the earth. Is it clear? 4 uses. Then finally, what is the difference between present perfect tense and simple past tense? What is the difference between present perfect tense and simple past tense? The difference is that in present perfect tense, action which is completed but effect continues. Okay, action might have completed maybe 1 hour ago or half an hour ago, but there is effect still. But in simple past tense, action which is already done, there is no connection to the present tense. For that we use a simple past tense. Example, India has recovered from COVID. We don't say that India recovered from COVID. Still there may be some effects are there here and there. We can't say completely that India recovered from COVID. We have to say India has recovered from COVID. Second one, a world recovered from swine flu. There was one sickness came around 20 or 30 20 or 50 years before, that is called swine flu. That time it was very dangerous, but now they got medicine. Now it is not at all, it may be there but it is not a dangerous. Here we can't say, here we can say that world recovered from swine flu, but we don't say that India recovered from COVID. Still there are some effect of COVID. Is it clear? Yeah. What we learn in this class, I taught you what is past tense, then I asked how to make a assertive, negative, interrogative sentences in a simple past tense. Okay, then finally I said, I taught you the uses of a simple past tense. Where do we use simple past tense? That is four places. One, action started and ended in the past, then series of actions completed in the past, then habitual routine in the past, fact which are not present, facts which are not true in the present day. These are the four uses of a simple past tense. Then finally I thought, what are the difference between simple past tense and present perfect tense? Okay, so one more things we have to keep it in our mind. The helping verb we did, okay, did helping verb we use in a simple past tense to make a negative sentence as well as interrogative sentence. But when we put a did in a sentence, we always use a first form of a verb. Okay, main verb we always use a first form of a verb, but wherever there is no did, we always use second form of a verb in a simple past tense. Is it clear? Thank you friends. Still you have a doubt, you can comment in the comment section or you can call and you can ask me. Thank you. Wish you a happy and joyful day. Bye bye.